You may have been wondering, creating Reels is so difficult. Well, GPT-Reels is here to solve that problem for you. With the GPT-Reels, you can create endless Reels again and again on any topic you want. And with AI involved, you can now make that faster without having to think of the script that you would use. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby, and I'll be taking you through GPT-Reels and all that it has to offer. We log in with our email and password, and we can see the dashboard. On the dashboard, we can take a look at project training, which has other videos to teach you how to use GPT-Reels. You can take a look at your bonuses, and you can choose the language in which GPT-Reels will be used. Here you can go straight into creating your video, choosing either the easy mode, the advanced mode, the hyper mode, or the custom video creator. You can take a look at your created videos and any of your video lists from easy mode all the way to custom videos. And also you can take a look at your AI image generator, the images that you've already generated, or you can choose to generate AI images. Let's take a look at the easy mode. Let's create a video. The easy mode, the advanced mode, and the hyper mode are very similar, with only very little differences from them. We input a video title, and we can choose our video format. Let's pick widescreen. We enter a prompt for you to use ChatGPT. Create a script about children going to school in school bus. Generate. You should mind that it might take a while to generate your script. Do not close it while it's generating. So this is the script. Then you can select your background music. You can choose to listen to them before you use. You can just choose to use which of them. Then you submit. Success. So you can see that data has been saved successfully and your video will be rendered between 30 minutes to 24 hours based on server load. And sometimes you could render within 10 minutes. So when you're done, you have your video on your video list. You can see previous videos that have already been created. You can choose to play those videos and you can choose to download them. So that's a previous video that has been created. Let's take a look at advanced mode, which is very similar to easy mode and hyper mode. When in advanced mode, you can decide what pictures you would want. In advanced mode, we put in our video title. You can select our video resolution. Let's pick it Facebook Square. Generate. You can choose what script you want. Let's select this. Then we continue. After continuing, you can generate your image through AI. When your images are created, you click on continue. And you can select a voice gender, male or female. And generate an audio for that script. Once it's saved, you can choose if you want to include your subtitle or not. And if you're including subtitle, you can change your font size. You can choose your text color and you can choose your background color. When you're done, you leave the videos to render. We'll come back to these videos when we're done. Next, take a look at hyper mode. You can include title, Generate a script. You can pick a script of our choice. Then continue. Generate images through AI. And when they have been created, just click continue. You can choose a voice engine, either Google or Amazon. You can select a language from a lot of languages. When you pick your preferred language, you can select a voice. You can choose background music. You can listen to it. Choose to use that sound. Generate audio. And you can play.
Are you tired of spending money?
So when you're done, you can choose to add subtitle. When you're done, you can add a watermark. That is a watermark of your video. You can upload an image as your watermark. When you're done, you can change the font size, the text color, or the background. Then submit. Then you leave your video to render. Next, let's take a look at custom video creator. You can take a look at the video list, or you can choose to create video. With custom video creator, you can create your videos and have even more control over them. Let's create one. Include your video title, your video format, your prompt for your script, generate, select your script, continue. You can use images that already exist in your image library, or you can generate new images. And when you're done generating images, you can select your images that you want to use in your video, and continue. Select your voice, the language, then you can generate audio. You can preview. You can add subtitle. When you're satisfied, submit. You get redirected to the video editor for you to make a lot more changes to your custom video. And here you can make all the changes you want to make. You can add text, you can save, you can take a look at the typography, you can take a look at the elements in your video, you can take a look at the media, you can generate images and content from AI, you can add new slides to your videos, set custom backgrounds, use background music, and you can also delete files. So we'll submit this. When you're done, your video will begin to render. Next, take a look at training reel creator. First, we'll find a trending reel. You can input any keyword to find a trending reel. Let's search for technology. Search. And you can see trending reels based on the views, the likes, the comments, and the date posted. Whichever one grabs our attention, we can simply click on Get This, and this video will be downloaded for us to use. Note that most of the videos available to you are YouTube Shorts, but they are not limited to YouTube Shorts. And similar to your custom video creator, you can make changes to your video. And when you're satisfied with your changes, you can simply submit. Next, we take a look at edit your video. Edit your video simply allows you to edit videos that you've created from your video list. You can choose to edit videos that you've already created, or you can create new videos and edit those videos. On social media scheduler, you can schedule the videos you create and other social media content easily, making quick posts and scheduling them ahead of time to reduce the amount of control and focus that you need to put on your videos to post every time. Let's go back. On graphics creator, you can create graphics for our website, for our landing pages, and for our videos in general. You can see Facebook conversion websites, say Twitter headers, so many contents to create. If you want to create one, you can simply click on use this template, choose the website you're creating for, call the website's name, template name, then create. Once your template is created, you can make changes to your template. It could include shape, the header, background, AI text, and overlay, and or YouTube contents to your created graphic. You can save and you can download our template. So let's save that. Go back. Next, take a look at AI image generator. On AI image generator, you can create AI images from any prompts you use. Please note that illegal prompts or wrong rated prompts are not allowed and you'll be banned. So let's include ice cream sugar and generate. And you can see that the art style being recommended is the STXL art style. You can choose any other art style based on the preview that we can see here. So you can wait for image to be generated. And you can see the image generated. If you want another one, you can generate the image again. Next, take a look at image gallery. Save that to gallery. This is our image gallery. Videos that we have made are in our image gallery. Next, take a look at image editor. With image editor, you can edit images that have already been created in your gallery or generate new images that you can edit in the image editor. With agency user, you can take a look at your agency and see the users there. You can add users and you can view users, changing permissions. With done for you swipes and offers, you can take a look at the swipes and offers that have been made for you on GPTReels and you can sell them to other people and make a commission. You can always chat support in case you're having any difficulty and you can choose to log out. And finally, let's take a look at our videos that we've created. Take a look at just the easy mode. We can play it.
Title: The School Bus Ride. Scene: a group of children waiting at a bus stop for the school bus to arrive. Child 1: I'm so excited for our first day. Next, you can take a look at Advanced Mode video. Let's play that one.
Education is the key to a successful future, and reading is the foundation of all learning. That's why it's essential to provide children with access to age-appropriate books that will stimulate their minds and expand their
Are you tired of spending money on expensive school supplies every year? Look no further. This video will teach you how to make your materials at home using simple and affordable ingredients. From designing your notebooks to create.
And that's all. As you can see, creating Reels have been very easy with GPTReels. Sure, you have to make sure you make a lot of changes and make edits where necessary, but this makes the process simpler and easier. Don't forget, a link to GPTReels in the description of this video. You're welcome to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product reviews. See you in the next one. Goodbye.